When using a twin needle, you get a little bit of a hump in the middle of between the two rows of stitching. And I'm going to do an example of a tension from 0 to 9 so you can see the difference the tension makes on your center hump. On different fabrics it's different. So this is 2 layers of medium to lightweight cotton. And we're going to do the first one at tension of 0, stitch length of 3. Let me make sure I'm doing the right stitch. Doing just a single straight stitch, stitch length of 3. Almost none to very little humping in the middle. Now we're going to do it at a tension of 1. A little bit of a hump in there. We'll get 2. Now we're going to do a tension of 3. Four. Five. Six. Seven. Eight. times 9. Can try and see, this is it, 0, very little humping, 1, 2, 3, starting to get it, you can feel it, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And you can see at the 9, it's got a pretty pronounced hump in there. Try and get the shadow to show. See, nice and flat on the lower, and it gets more pronounced as you go up. The thinner the fabric, the higher this hump is. So if you want to minimize it, you use a lower tension. If you want to add texture to it, you can use a higher tension and sew these even closer together to get some texture. It looks much better when it's matching threads. But like you can see, almost no humping at the 0 or 1. Then increasingly a little bit each time you tighten the tension.